2013 Kia Soul. So what we have going on here is a blown engine and a perfect maintenance record on a car with 117,000 miles that is estimated to get 300,000 miles. So I'm making this video and I'm sending it out to Kia, so hopefully you guys will stand up and stand behind your product.
Hi, my name's Amanda. I bought this car from my sister in good faith, and she told me she did maintenance on it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. We bought it from her when it was at 80,000 miles, and it is currently sitting at 117,000 miles with the engine completely blown, and it is just very close to being unusable, and it would cost me more to get this car fixed myself. As a 19-year-old college student who is about to move out, this is not doable. I will be without a car, even though I was promised a good car that was going to last. So if you guys could please help us out, that would mean the world to me, and I could really use this help because I just don't have the financial stability right now to be able to fix this car myself. You guys recently just had a recall for the Cadillac converter, and within it, if there was enough damage to the engine, then you guys would replace that as well. And the only reason that they told me my car wasn't able to get replaced is because of the VIN number, even though it has all the exact same issues and diagnosis for the recall itself.
All right, so according to Kia, they have fixed my car. Now, you can see on the paperwork that they said that they ran a test. Well, the first thing they did is they ran a test and told me the car was good to go. The lights were off, no problem. Good to go. Hey, no lights are on. Everything's good to go. You're good. Then I'm like, no. You guys need to do a compression test on that car. Something is wrong with the engine. I put oil in on a Friday, and on Monday, it was dry of oil. And there's no leak, there's no smoke. Where's the oil going? I don't understand this. Find out for me. Which they never did find out where the oil went, but what they did tell me was, oh, after running the compression test, your engine's blown, the long engine. It's got a head gasket. We don't know where the oil is, and you need a long block replaced on this thing. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Let's take a look and see what's going on. Here we go. Let's start this thing up. I don't see an oil. I see a check engine light there. I see a check engine light. So I wonder what that check engine light is. Do you want to bet that check engine light's for the catalytic converter? The very one they said they checked and was in perfect shape? The one that when they checked my catalytic converter, told me it's in perfect shape. Then they checked my engine, told me it's in perfect shape. Yet I have them do a compression test on this engine. It's not in perfect shape. And then I have them do the check engine, and they tell me the light's off. And obviously, does that look off to you? Does that look off to you? I don't think it is.
I'm about to move out and I cannot afford this. I'm begging Kia Soul to please help me fix this car because I just do not have the financial stability right now to be able to fix this myself or get a brand new car.